Hello, everyone. Welcome to another music theory lesson. Today, we're going to talk about minor scales. Let's get into it. Now, we can build a minor scale on any note by moving from note to note in specific whole or half step patterns. There are three types of minor scales, and two of which are usually combined into one single scale. We're going to check out all three types of minor scales starting on the C note, and then we will dive into the specifics of how to construct them. So, the first type of minor scale is called natural minor scale. Okay, that's what it sounds like. The second type of minor scale is called the melodic minor scale. Here we go. C. The way that sounds. Okay. And the third type of minor scale is called the harmonic minor scale. This has that little Egyptian sounding interval. All right, so natural minor scales. How are they built? Well, the formula here is whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. Remember that two half steps make up one whole step. So let's see. We start with C, and then we go half step plus half is one, and then we go one half step. Then we go half step plus half step. So there you go. So we have so far. Now we go another whole step. Okay, now half step. And now another whole step. And then last but not least, another whole step. So that gives us. Okay, now let's go into melodic minor scale. How do you build it? The whole step and half step is going to be something that you always have on a minor scale. If it's a different type of scale, the rest may vary, but that's your basis because that's what gives you the interval of minor third. Okay, so let's see how to build this. C, then we go half step plus half is one. Then we go half. Half plus half is one. 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 And then we do half. And there you have it. That is the melodic minor scale. All right. Last but not least, harmonic minor scale. Let's see how that's built. You got half plus half makes one. Then you go half. Again, half plus half makes one. Half plus half is one. Then you go half. Now, this is a funky one because you have three half steps or one whole step and a half step. So one, that makes two half steps, which make one whole step, and then one half step. And there you go. One last but not least, you got one half step. So you have. Alrighty. Now, the two types of scales, minor scales, that are combined into one single scale is in the melodic minor. So the melodic minor and the natural minor become one. So in practice, what you do is you play your melodic scale going up, and going down, you play the natural scale. Now that sounds a lot better than just playing melodic up and down, or just natural up and down. And this scale that you have in front of you, which combines the melodic going up and natural going down, is what is commonly used for creating beautiful melodies, which is why it's called melodic minor. It gives you a sweeter version of the minor scale. The other version, which we saw, which is the harmonic, has that interval, which can be awkward if you're writing music. Anyway, there you have it. It's possible to build a minor scale in any note by following the following formulas. You have the natural, melodic, and harmonic scale formulas with their corresponding intervals. Go ahead, play around with them, figure out how to make major scales from the previous video and minor scales from this video in all three types of ways. And in the next coming videos, we will learn about relative major and minor scales. So in the meantime, hope you have a good day. Study hard, and I'll see you on the next one.